right, guys, step one when you get to the trail. And obviously I'm talking step one, that's after you've already picked up a couple Subway subs, threw them in your fridge, gathered all your treats. We need to air down these tires. You can do it the old-fashioned way with a Bic pen. You jam it into the valve stem and hold it there for eons and eons while your buddies are waiting for you. Or you can get a set of deflators, not just deflators, trailhead deflators. These things are the cat's meow. So despite what you're thinking, this is not a vape pen. Don't suck on these, okay? All you gotta do, take the cap off. The end that has the little nub inside, not the end with the Allen key, screws on until it stops. And it will stop letting the air out of your tires when it's at the setting that it is either set out of the box to, or that you've set it to after that. They come out of the bag set to 12 PSI, which is usually my go-to pressure when I'm even service roads. I believe in comfort before anything. Put them on all 4 tires, and then you walk around and talk to all the people bending over using the Bic pen. This is a good time to contemplate life choices. Where you went wrong, things you'd do again. It's done. You just take it off. Put it back in the nice little knapsack it came with. And cap it. Safety first. You don't want to just stick your valve stem into anything. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do it. I'm gonna get out of the driver's seat because that's usually where I'd like to be. I'm gonna store my magical bag of Kraken goodies behind the seat. Pull our hoses out. You got 2 of them, hopefully. Take the nicely coiled hose. In goes the Y splitter. The hoses, depending on your build, are the exact same length. So we're gonna go over to the tires. We're gonna take off the very important valve cap. We're gonna grab the base of this fitting. See how this works? We're just gonna push, done. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the front of the vehicle. You see that? You're already half done. We're gonna remove the red. Don't worry, there's gonna be some air because they're connected. Once you stick your Y fitting in, it's created an airtight seal because our fittings don't leak. We're then gonna go to the back or front, your choice. I don't know which one you'd rather start with. This little switch here. Now, if you just have the standard Kraken system, this is how you do it. You'd go to your cluster, go to the tire pressure monitor, and wait while it keeps refreshing itself as it's airing up all 4 tires. Recommended, always run with the vehicle running because your compressor will run faster and air up sooner, producing more air, and you'll have no chance of overstressing your battery. If you bought the Kraken expansion kit with the pressure control system in it, you're just gonna go to your phone, and needless to say, you only have to actually do this once. Not every time you're airing up. Once you have your settings, it's gonna remember it. So I'm gonna click the AirB app on the screen. We're gonna turn the compressor on. We're gonna connect. It's connected. Notice our target pressure is 35 PSI. Right now, the whole pressure of the system is currently at 29. When it gets to 35, it'll equalize and stop. But you can make it stop at 34, 33, even 31. You could be crazy, do it 28. Really up to you. Now, another thing this app is really good for, because some of you overlanders out there love gadgets. You look at the app for your fridge, you see what your fridge is doing when you can't see it. You see what everything's going on. You can go in here and have custom presets. You can set highway pressure, city pressure, preset 3, 4, you can name them. And basically just have your go-to setting. You can overcomplicate this as much as you want. Okay, as you can see here, current pressure, target pressure. Nice little thing if you put this in the right spot. It vibrates nicely to let you know it's finished. So you could be wandering around making fun of your friends for not being aired up yet. And this was like, oh, I'm all ready to go. Let's get out of here. Step one, this is how I go about completing the system. So because I let it sit for a bit because all the tires have equalized together. They're all kind of linked together. You want to take it apart in a way that doesn't lose you any air. So first we're gonna pop off all of these. I take these and I set these neatly on my floor mat. I go to the other side. Let's just call this the driver's side. Now we go to the other side. If you travel with a co-pilot, you don't have to do this extra couple steps, but cardio is good for you. We put in the purge valve. So now the pressure in the system is gone and the pushed connect fitting easily releases when you push in and pull out the Y fitting. Then you just stick back in your plug to keep everything clean. Back over to the driver's side. Now you'll see they basically coil themselves. Take them both, put them back in this nice Kraken bag. Take your bag. Most important thing again, protection for your valve stem caps. Get in, get gone.
Looking for an epic Jeep or Ram? Give us a call.